So there's no more excuse to say, I don't have enough money to learn. Hello everybody, and today I want to talk about how you can get a scholarship to learn a language. So there's no more excuse to say, I don't have enough money to learn. So in today's video, I want to talk about how you can teach while you learn. It's a method that I used in the past actually. I didn't have enough money. Let's say I have enough money, but I feel like it's such a big money to be paying for my classes, although they are like $5, $6, but me living in Thailand, I can buy a food for $1.50. So $5 is a big money. So I can say like, let's see, if I eat 2 meals a day, that will last me like almost 3 days, if not a lot. Then I'm saying that even if you're poor, wherever you live, you can be learning languages. You can be paying people to learn languages. Do you agree that teaching contributes to your learning? If you believe that, then start teaching now. How would you start teaching? There are several sites that you can use, and I want to show you many websites that you can look through to become a language teacher. I know that you don't have, most of you will not have the certificate. Many sites requires that. For example, sites like Verbling, Reply, Amazing Talker. Sometimes it can be a little bit harsh on you because you don't have the certificate. But I want to draw your attention to italki, which is how I started it. I did not have any degree at all, but italki has two types of teachers that you can apply for. Is community tutor. If you're a professional teacher, then that's great. But if you're just a normal person who wants to share, who wants to earn some money, to learn a language, let's say like that, to learn a language, you can apply to become a community teacher. These are community teachers. If you look carefully, they are very cheap. They're very cheap, and they're like, let's see, for Indonesian, $5.4. Even for languages that are supposedly expensive, like French, let's see. They are also, let's see, French. They can be also very cheap, especially new teachers. So, like I said, there's no excuses to not learn a language. French would not cost you $20, $40 like you imagine anymore. They can be $4, $5, and I've taken classes with people that are $6, 6.9, and even a French guy who is $8. I'm trying to say that it's very easy to learn languages and doesn't require you to be rich. And also, for example, when you earn money, for example, if I switch to my teacher mode, because I'm also teaching on italki, it's already been many years, 4 years teaching on italki, I can easily go to my wallet, and I can easily transfer the credit to my student wallet, and this way I don't have to lose any money for the commission or anything. The money that I get as a teacher directly goes to my student wallet. If you teach, you are learning all these skills. You have to think about what can you do to help your student. Think about how they can improve, and this also in turn will help you to be more organized, to solidify how you learn languages. So I'm not saying that if you are good at teaching means you're good at learning, but it helped. It really helped, according to my own experience. No matter how old you are, you can already start making money while you learn. I used all the money that I teach to learn a language. So in fact, I have been learning over 1,000 classes on italki. So that really helped to improve my language, since I have to go to work, since I cannot go to that country and I cannot have like the real like immersive kind of language atmosphere. Instead, I created my own atmosphere through classes that I take, through teaching, through videos and everything.